Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meditanism English. Here, we don't just talk about education, but also try to fill your life with inspiration and motivation. If you want the best results in any area of your life, then this channel is for you. On this channel, we discuss Krishna's teachings and ways to succeed in every aspect of life. So if you want to become a better version of yourself, make sure to subscribe and be a part of this journey. In today's video, we will talk about the 7 secrets that every topper follows. These secrets will not only change your study habits, but will also completely transform your thinking and life. Have you ever wondered why some people always top? Why do they do it without much stress? It feels like they have a secret formula. In reality, there is something special, and the secrets I learned from Krishna's teachings are the same ones that top students follow. Today we will talk about those 7 secrets that not only every topper follows, but also that every student should adopt to reach the top in their journey. These tips are not just about intelligence, but they are about smart strategies. So let's dive into the 7 secrets that can completely change your study approach. Do you think that to become a topper you need to study for hours? No. A topper knows that it's not about how much time you spend, but how much focus you have. And Krishna also explained this. Whatever you do it with full dedication. So what should you do? Set a timer for 25 minutes with complete focus. Keep your phone away and dedicate 100% of yourself to the task. After that, take a 5-minute break. This simple routine will keep your brain fresh and you'll absorb more than studying for 4 hours without focus. Krishna told Arjuna, focus on your practice and let go of all distractions. This principle is something top students follow. They focus on one book or one teacher. So, what do top students do? They study from one source. Don't jump from one course or book to another. This helps maintain focus and eliminates confusion. According to Krishna, when your mind is filled with too many things, it becomes hard to focus. That's why we need to clear our minds. Adopt the brain dump technique. Whenever your mind is cluttered with thoughts, write them down in a notebook. Write down social media, friends, or any tension. This will clear your mind and help you focus on your studies. Krishna reminded Arjuna, knowledge is not just gained by reading, it's gained by absorbing it. And this is the method that top students follow. How do they do it? After reading a topic, close your notebook and try to explain it to yourself. If you get stuck, refer to your notes. This method forces your brain to recall the information, which helps store it in your memory for a longer time. Krishna always said, teach others what you learn. This principle is followed by top students. When you teach someone a concept, your own understanding deepens. How can you do this? Teach a concept to a friend. If you are unable to explain it, revise the concept further. Have you ever had that blank feeling during an exam? You remember the answer, but it doesn't come to your mind at that moment? Krishna told Arjuna, stay calm and don't panic. So, what should you do? Get a good sleep before the exam. Your brain needs to recharge. If you feel anxious during the exam, do some breathing exercises. Take a breath for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and then exhale in 4 seconds. Krishna also told Arjuna, think in silence. Your power will increase. Top students follow this method. On exam day, top students maintain calmness. They don't ask others what they studied or didn't study. What should you do? Stay silent. Avoid unnecessary conversations 15 to 20 days before the exam. Only discuss what is essential. So these were the 7 secrets that every topper follows. And now they are available for you too. If you follow these principles, believe me, your study world can change. The life codes Krishna gave us can be applied to our studies. Now it's your turn to decide. Will you apply these principles in your life? Let me know in the comments which secret you are going to adopt first. Your journey to becoming a topper begins now.